Hey tech fans! Today, we're setting up the Amazon Smart Plug 2-pack, one of the easiest ways to start your smart home journey. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set them up, control devices with Alexa, and automate your entire routine. Let's get started. First, let's unbox these plugs. You get two sleek white units that are super compact and won't block adjacent outlets. The setup guide is straightforward, and there's literally no assembly required. Just plug them in and we're ready to go. Before plugging anything in, grab your smartphone and download the Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in with your Amazon account, the same one you use for Amazon Prime. This app is your control center for everything smart in your home. Now, plug your first smart plug into a regular electrical outlet. You'll see a blue LED light up. Open the Alexa app, go to Devices, and tap Add Device. Select Smart Plug, choose your Wi-Fi network, and enter your password. The app will find your plug automatically and connect it. Super easy. Once connected, give your plug a meaningful name, like living room lamp or bedroom fan. This makes voice control intuitive. Now you can say, Alexa, turn on the living room lamp, and watch it work instantly. You can also toggle it on or off right from the app, even when you're away from home. Here's where smart plugs become truly powerful. In the Alexa app, tap your plug, go to Routines, and create schedules. Want your coffee maker on every morning at 7 a.m.? Done. Need your bedroom fan off at 11 p.m.? Just set it. You can even create complex routines that trigger multiple plugs at once. Smart plugs work great for so many devices. Plug in your coffee maker, bedside lamp, or living room fan. Want festive holiday lights that turn on at dusk and off at midnight? Perfect. Plus, the Alexa app shows you real-time power usage, so you can track energy consumption and save money. The possibilities are endless. That's it. Your Amazon smart plugs are now set up and ready to make your home smarter. Tell us in the comments what devices you're planning to plug in. I'd love to hear your smart home ideas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!